Oh, welcome today to Crypto and Life Lounge. We have NNN with us today. We have Lucas with us. And so how did this get started and how many people are on the team?
Oh, we have a wide team. It contains from 15 person in core, and then the rest of the community. Everybody in the community can help with that what he want. For example, we have a guy with printing nice 3D things what we are using as gift in contests. It's really easy to join. Uh, our team, core team, is have some tasks like a QR manager, developers, copywriters, graphics designers. Everything is possible to see on our site. It's wait a moment, I will show. And our speaker is here. Maybe he will be able to speak. So
That's fine.
here is me.
Hey, can you hear me?
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
loud and
welcome.
clear.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. We made it.
So that is the founders, me and two developers, and the rest the core team. We have CFO, sales representative, our speaker.
Yeah, I've talked to Dr. Evil for a long
Yeah,
time. When I first talked to him, then he gave me the inside look and I could check it out, the platform, and see how intuitive it was. So, it seems to work a lot better if I turn my phone sideways when I'm doing any kind of notes or anything like that for the token. So, tell us what you do and what NNN's all about.
our purpose is to clean our space because adoption rate is really low and we need to boost it. But it's impossible when it's so many scams around us because when you hear somebody speak about the crypto, they are speaking about what scam or how much they lose. You don't hear to speak them like, "Hey, look, that is a great project." But it's a problem if you are, for example, seller, you have your own store, and somebody push on you, let's accept crypto. Then you will hear bad feedbacks. It will never happen. So we need to change it. That is why we created the NNN community, and also that is why we are created a project like a Guardian. This is like a resolution on current problems. For example, Guardian solving the transparency of the project and overall security about it. It's aggregate every kind of data what you can imagine about the project. It will also grow. I will show our token detail. It's because we have filled the detail at maximum. It's for example, for the developers, it's really easy to fill the details because if you are logged with a deployer wallet or with wallet what have access, you will see an edit button and you will be able to edit anything you need. We have our own smart contract check that is supported with our own AI model. That's a purpose only to looking for backdoors in the contract. But for example, the blacklist functions can be used to defend contract in early stage after development, deploying to defend against sniper bots. But many developers can use it as a scam options, like to drag you or don't allow you to sell something, but we are giving the opportunity for developers to tell why they are using that function. So if our check will find something, our administration will ask you, hey, we find the blacklist, let's write why it's there. So
Can other things also be edited? Because it says tokens burned, and I did burn 10% of our supply, and I don't know if you guys found that or not.
sorry.
I did burn 10% of my token supply. It doesn't show that.
Just report it. We are still in alpha. We have a report button. You can set you can point anything where is a problem. You can describe it, and we will fix it really fast.
Okay, because we did start with 1 million tokens and we burned 100,000 of them. So we burned them with buys. So when people bought, I burned them.
Let's check. Give it the time. Today we created databases on different servers. Okay. Just report it. If you find anything, just report it. We are really glad for any feedback. Many functions that we are using, it's from the feedbacks. For example, we are fighting also with education because many people don't know what that functions means. So we created a explain that will describe you anything more deeply, and it will grow. Also, we integrated a Go Plus security that we will also give you option to defend yourself, but it will be maybe next or 2 months front. Also, you can aggregate any type of news. For example, every token has some news from Medium or Yahoo or own web page. Here is a place where you can aggregate it. For example, you have some gaming token, some play to earn or something like that. You can create the categories like how to earn, how to mine, how to play, how to join, anything what your project need. It's external links, so you can connect any source what you want. Also, token info. Token info is pretty same everywhere, except we are giving you space to make any length what you want. Event calendar, that is many projects have many events. So everything is pinned in Telegram, in Discords, on Twitters, but nobody it's grouped. Nowhere it's grouped. So we are giving you also opportunity to aggregate it on one point. So when you will share your project or share links on your project, you need to just send one link on the Guardian, and every kind of information will be there. Also, there is a bonuses like when you go on the title page and your articles is really active, it will be shown on the title. Also, events. We are pretty young. We are in the alpha, so we are in phase where we are looking for the projects. So we are glad to help anyone who want to join. But we are fighting with a big issue. It's a trust and education issue. Because if you want to edit your project detail, you need to sign with your deployer or owner wallet. But there is not any on-chain transaction. But many developers don't know where is the risks and what they can expect from joining the developer wallet. So we are trying to educate and build the trust.
Yeah, I was hesitant at first, but I did it a couple times, and it's not bad. So
Yes. There is not any on-chain transaction. There is only one signed message. But what I hear, I speak with few developers, and they really have problems to put out the deployer wallet from Sandbox. Not to connect it to the computer. They are really afraid, but it's a necessary first step. Like when you want to fill your details on BSC scan.
well, make sure that you own the token, correct?
Yes. Because the Medium developer is able to open the console, rewrite the address, and he will be able to edit your token detail. So it's not good way to do that like that.
You just showed me the calendar. I will have to go look for that because, yeah, like I said, it works better with my phone turned sideways. I am on a mobile device. If I was on a laptop, it might be a little easier also.
Yeah, we are still in the alpha, so For example, you said that you've seen that administration. It's only like beta version. There will be a new one. For example, that calendar will be not like a list. It will be like really calendar. So it will be much easier to find anything what you want or create the events. Also, we will release, it will be soon out, the news section for content creators. Content creator will be able to choose independent article, so they will be able to write for their own, or they will be able to write article for the token. So they will pick a token, they will set everything about the article, and they will be able to write. Here is a Notion editor, so if you will use / commands, you will see any commands what you need. And also we integrated an AI there. It's not AI to helps you to write whole articles. It's only AI to helps you to finish the sentence. It's not finished, so it will write the stupid things. But I can show you, for example, days once a day plus, and it will start to fill one sentence. There will be two more inputs. One input will be on outline, and second input will be on output, like for example, have tonality like David Hasselhoff and use the bolts. But it's a future of few weeks.
All right. Are we able to upload what kind of file am I thinking of? I'm thinking of like a white paper. Is it possible just to upload that file?
If you want to upload white paper, you need to upload it somewhere on your hosting or something like that.
Okay.
And just put the link here.
Still being written right now because we keep evolving stuff. So
sure. When you will write it here, so you will be able to have it here with the social links.
that doesn't have a. Does that have a limit on words? I think it was 500 to write an article, or no?
Oh, articles doesn't have any limits. You can write as you
Okay,
want.
that's what I was wondering.
Same as the check explanation. If there is some founds in the check, it will ask you why and describe it. What is it? There is a 250 characters limit, so you can write pretty much what you want.
All right. So everybody can go check this out, and then you can vote on your tokens there too, right?
Yes, I am voting also for yours when I am on the platform. There is a voting system based on Wallet Connect, so we don't want the bots. So voting is allowed only for a logged user. For example, when you just logged in, you can choose a profile picture, you can write a bio about you, put some links, and when you will write articles, it will be in your linked in your articles. For example, Dex tools showing you many details about the transactions. We wanted to bring it more far, so we are showing the buy price, sell price, current price, how much is remaining on that wallet, and pretty much more details. We don't have problems if you, for example, use a report back functions, and you will have some idea what it's missing here for you or on any part of the page. Just write it and we will edit. We are the platform what trying to bend like its needs and requirements for the community. We are building everything for free, so you as the project, you doesn't need to pay anything. people's like investors doesn't need to pay anything. Our monetization model will come later. It will be something like AdSense from the Google or Facebook. Ads with the possibility of 100% targeting. That is something what is like only wheat dream in a Web 2 world.
All right, so you do have a token also. What kind of token is it?
It's our NNN token.
Okay, I mean, is it used for actual use case in the platform, or is it a rewards token? Or
It's like a connection. NNN will unlock you more features like a virtual portfolio or alerts. There will be limited with some functions only for holders because it's server hungry. So we need to funnel it a little bit. Also, when you have NNN, you are able to participate in our karma mechanism. For example, this is a technical part. Everything can be green, for example, and project will die. Why? Because business plan is maybe wrong or something like that. So we are giving the opportunity to write write a comment. If you find something, you will just write the comment, and when will people vote or likes, giving the likes to you, it will give you karma. Our karma mechanism is a reward mechanism. If you are participating in the community, for example, you will write a joke, somebody will land on it, he will give you karma. You can connect it, you can create a karma profile. If you will have $42 in NNN and 50 to 199 karma, you will be able to have activity rewards. It's rewards what we are sending every month to the community. And also, if you will have $200 in NNN and 200 karma, we will share with you revenue share from our monetization model.
all right, that's good. Can you do a quick overview, because we are right at almost 17 minutes now?
Quick overview. I don't know, but random. Our speaker is better, much more better.
I
than
see him, but he's not unmuted.
Yeah.
Now he is.
I'm here. What
All
do
right,
you
can
want?
you give us
Quick
an
overview.
overview of NNN, because we're at 17 minutes. We give 15 minutes per project.
Well, basically, we aim to build one-stop shop for Web3 founders, developers, project marketing managers, and traders and content creators. You know the platforms like CoinMarketCap. You probably know Bloomberg. You probably know DEX Tools, and so on and so on. We see all the mistakes and all the issues that you must go through if you want to get listed there, if you want to update it and work with it properly, like you are
Yeah, it
used
costs
to
a
in
lot of money
normal
too.
environment. Yeah, exactly. And basically, it's cocky, but we want to overcome all of those because we know we can. Our developers know these platforms inside out, and they took the best from them and made it even better. It just takes time and patience. We've been building over 2 years, but the entire ecosystem is preparing for the next wave of people. And once the Guardian is all set, then we'll move to other projects that are connected to the entire ecosystem, like Cooperatio, where you will be able to basically a LinkedIn on Web3. Then NFT marketplace with some real world assets, which we see are huge, like from the reality market, from housing, rentals, and so on and so on. So
the NFTs, the real use of NFTs hasn't even begun to be started yet.
Exactly. It was fine last time, but we all know that it was misunderstood as JPEGs, right? Which
Right.
is
I don't buy JPEGs.
yeah, exactly. So yeah, it just takes time, but the entire ecosystem, I think Lucas will be able to share with you in your chat just the overview of the entire, like the mind
right.
map of what's planned, and you will see.
So can you guys drop your socials in the chat there and people can go check it out?
Yeah,
Go
definitely.
join your community. I know your community is active. I pop in there once in a while, but I'm in 1,000 channels. I cannot be everywhere at once.
Yeah, it happens. It's fine. Maybe